tiny fruit, but it can quietly help reduce pimples, calm your skin, and make your face look naturally fresh. And the best point, you can easily use it at home. Yes, this is jojoba means unnab. You can easily use it at home. In this video, I'll also share a jojoba drink, so stick around this video. First, let's talk about pimples. Pimples are one of the most common skin problems today. Sometimes they appear because of oily skin, unhealthy eating, stress, lack of sleep, or poor digestion. Many people spend money on expensive creams, but they forget that healthy skin also starts from inside the body. One natural remedy that many people are now using for clearer skin is jojoba. Jujube is also known as red date or pear in many countries. This small fruit is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and skin friendly nutrients that may help support healthy and glowing skin naturally. One amazing thing about jojoba is that it contains antioxidants. These antioxidants help fight harmful toxins in the body that can damage skin cells and increase pimples. When your body has fewer toxins and less inflammation, your skin may start looking calmer and cleaner. Jojoba also contains vitamin C, which is very important for skin health. Vitamin C helps support collagen production in the skin. Collagen keeps the skin healthy, smooth, and fresh looking. It may also help reduce acne, marks, and dullness over time. Another reason pimples happen when you have poor digestion, when the stomach is not working properly. Many people notice more breakouts on the face. Jojoba is believed to support digestion and help the body feel lighter and cleaner from inside. Better digestion may also help reduce skin problems naturally. Now let's talk about a simple jojoba drink that many people use for skin health. Take 1 glass of water, warm water, and add 5 to 7 jojobas into it. In the starting, you should take a small amount. Leave it overnight. In the morning, remove and discard the seeds, then eat the soaked jujubas and drink the water. Try to take it before breakfast, or you can take this drink anytime when your stomach is empty. The soaking process helps soften the jujubas and allows the nutrients to mix into the water. Many people like this drink because it is gentle on the stomach and easy to include in a daily routine. If you want better results, consistency is important. Natural remedies usually take time. Drinking this regularly along with healthy eating habits may help your skin look healthier over time. I created a short video for the solution of pimples. It has an effective remedy. I'll share the link in the description box. Please check it out. Another benefit of jojoba is that it may help calm stress. Many people notice pimples become worse during stress or poor sleep. Jojoba is traditionally known for its calming properties and may help the body relax. Better sleep and lower stress can also support clearer skin. Hydration is also important for acne prone skin. When the body is dehydrated, the skin can sometimes produce more oil, which may lead to clogged pores. This jojoba water can help support hydration while giving your body natural nutrients at the same time. But remember, no single remedy can magically remove pimples overnight. You should also avoid oily junk food, drink enough water, sleep properly, and keep your face clean. Healthy habits work together to improve the skin. If your pimples are severe, painful, or caused by a medical condition, it's always best to consult a skin specialist. Natural remedies can support skin health, but everyone's skin is different. You can also add jojoba to your diet in other simple ways. Some people eat dried jujubas as snacks, while others add some them to herbal drinks or healthy recipes. The goal is to give your body nourishing foods that support skin health naturally. One more good thing about jojoba is that it's rich in natural plant compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, since inflamed skin often leads to red and painful pimples. Calming inflammation may help the skin appear more balanced. Natural foods like jojoba are becoming popular in wellness routines. You should also remember to wash your pillow covers regularly, avoid touching your face too much, and remove makeup before sleeping. Small daily habits can make a big difference for pimples. So, if you are looking for a simple natural remedy for skin support, jojoba may be worth trying. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with nutrients that can support healthier looking skin. Try the overnight jojoba drink regularly, stay patient, and who knows, this tiny fruit might become your skin's new best friend. Tell me in the comments if you try jojoba. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple natural health and skincare tips.